So you want to know how much your Steam account costs. This is very simple. So the first thing you have to do is to go to Steam and you have to go to your profile. So once you're here, you have to edit your profile and you have to go to privacy and you have to enable your profile public, game details on public, and press always keep my total playtime private even if users can see my game details. So this option you have to untick. Okay, so now you have to go back to your profile and you have to copy your profile icon. Then you have to go to steamdb.info and paste the link here. So when you paste this link, you will be able to see how many dollars is your account worth. In my case, the lowest price is 399, 291, I'm sorry. So you can check it out here, and if this video was useful for you, please comment how many money have you spent, and see you next time. Goodbye.